It takes just one corrupted header, an unexpected power outage, or an aging memory card to leave your favorite pictures unreadable. Instead of opening up your photo, you'll end up staring at an error message or a blank screen. To help you get past that headache, we reviewed popular picture repair tools designed to fix underlying data corruption and make your files viewable again. We had a bunch of corrupt files, and here are 5 of the best photo repair options available to bring damaged images back to life. Let's check them out. First off, Stellar Repair for Photo stands out as a dependable desktop utility built specifically for reconstructing corrupted images across desktop environments. We find that its primary strength lies in handling both standard image files like JPEG and proprietary RAW formats produced by major digital camera manufacturers. When files display error messages, invalid structure notices, or gray blocks across the canvas, this software reads the internal byte patterns to rebuild damaged headers and restore the underlying pixel data. A key operational advantage here is batch processing, which allows us to load entire folders from a compromised memory card and repair multiple files simultaneously. The tool also provides a full preview mechanism prior to saving, giving us a clear view of the restored image quality before committing any storage space or licenses. For instances where photo files suffer from extreme data corruption, the advanced repair function utilizes sample files created by the same camera model to reconstruct missing system markers accurately. The interface remains straightforward, focusing on the streamlined load, repair, and export process that avoids overly complicated technical settings. While it requires a paid license for full file exports, its reliable recovery rates and clean workflow make it an effective starting point for users dealing with damaged camera media. Building on that, Wondershare Repairit brings a versatile, multi-purpose environment designed to repair corrupted media across Windows and macOS platforms. We noticed that its repair engine relies on automated algorithms that detect and correct severe file errors caused by sudden system crashes, storage drive corruption, or incomplete transfer cycles. It handles over 15 distinct image formats, ranging from everyday PNG and JPEG files to high-end camera RAW containers. The platform includes a quick repair mode for routine file structure fixes and an advanced repair mode that matches sample files from the same source device to rebuild severely damaged file headers. In addition to fixing broken code, it incorporates artificial intelligence features that clear up blur, adjust color imbalance, and enhance image resolution during the recovery workflow. The software features an intuitive drag-and-drop user interface along with free preview options, so we can review the finished output before saving. While the full version operates under a subscription or perpetual license model, its high success rate and cross-platform flexibility make it a very capable choice for everyday restoration needs. In addition, 4DDIG Photo Repair provides a focused solution engineered to fix distorted, unreadable, or pixelated images across various storage devices. We see that this software excels at addressing common file access issues caused by file system corruption, formatted SD cards, or improper storage removal. Its core engine supports popular file types such as JPEG, PNG, TIFF, and camera-specific RAW formats without altering original image metadata. The application includes automated scanning routines that isolate broken headers, align distorted data rows, and correct unnatural color shifts. Like other top-tier options, it provides a batch repair feature so we can process hundreds of corrupted items in a single run, alongside a real-time preview panel to confirm the repaired quality before export. While advanced repair options are restricted behind the paid tier, its balance of speed, formatting support, and clean navigation secures its spot as a strong contender for everyday restoration needs. Moving forward, PixRecovery serves as a dedicated desktop tool created specifically to recover damaged image structures and rescue data from corrupted file systems. We observe that this software focuses directly on file integrity, working through corrupted JPEG, GIF, TIFF, BMP, and RAW formats to extract raw visual data even when file headers are completely destroyed. Rather than trying to guess missing pixels through heavy post-processing, PixRecovery recovers the original image data and saves the output as a separate uncompressed bitmap or newly structured file, leaving the source file untouched. The utility supports batch processing, allowing us to load multiple corrupted files simultaneously and run structured recovery routines across entire folders. Its interface is simple and straightforward, prioritizing utility and direct execution over visual flair. While it lacks extra editing or AI enhancement tools found in broader creative suites, its focused recovery mechanism makes it a practical option for recovering raw photographic data from badly corrupted media. DiskTuna offers a specialized lightweight toolkit that targets complex JPEG corruption issues through precise header replacement and diagnostic evaluation. Unlike broad automated tools, we appreciate how this utility approaches data recovery by analyzing file entropy and byte histograms to determine whether salvageable image data actually remains inside a broken file. When dealing with invalid JPEG markers or shifted color channels, DiskTuna enables manual patching and header alignment using a healthy reference photo taken with identical camera settings. This approach prevents the software from re-encoding images, which preserves original resolution and avoids quality degradation during saving. The software operates locally on Windows machines, ensuring complete privacy since no media files need to be uploaded to external servers. Beyond standard JPEGs, it extracts embedded full-resolution images from damaged RAW files from manufacturers like Nikon, Canon, and Sony. Although the user interface leans toward a classic technical layout that requires a small learning curve for manual adjustments, the sheer control over byte structure makes it an invaluable solution for stubborn files that standard automated software fails to open. So, while choosing the right software, you should depend on your specific recovery needs, but if we had to recommend just one from all, we would definitely go for Stellar. It's the overall best solution for repairing photos. Check out the description below to get all the download links. Try them out and share your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.